If aging skin around the mouth and thinning lips is frustrating, boy, is this one for you. It's time to talk lip rehabilitation therapy in today's video. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone who celebrates Easter had a great one. It's good to be back. Today we're going to be talking about how to rehabilitate the skin on the lips, specifically those tiny little lines that form just around the lips and on the lip skin itself. Now, if you're new and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris. I'm a skincare expert. I've been doing this for 34 years, and my job is to help you find skincare that will work for you, not empty your wallet, and not do you more harm than good. So if that's the kind of content that you're looking for here on YouTube, please be sure and subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you know when my new videos come out every week. Okay, so there are a lot of things that we all will tolerate about getting older. But thinning, sagging, crinkly lip skin is not one of them. And I get it. Lip wrinkles can make you look far older than you really are. Now, why this happens so early is because the skin around the mouth is an area where it moves and stretches a lot. Those dynamic wrinkles that happen eventually become static wrinkles, especially as we get older. And our lips get their shape from collagen, which is something that we produce less of as the years go by, that leads to those fine lines and wrinkles that occur. Then there are things like accumulated UV damage, your genetics, and lifestyle habits like smoking, and yes, to some degree, drinking through straws, although that's kind of on the edge of things as things go. Really, it is just more about the stretching and pulling of the skin around the mouth as we eat and talk and emote and do all those things. Luckily, there are some easy fixes that you can do to improve the collagen levels in and around the mouth. You can obviously get pretty immediate results by going and having somewhat invasive procedures done in office, like injections and fillers, which are very common. They use things like hyaluronic acid, which your body already produces anyway, to plump the lips back out. And you will have to have that procedure redone on an ongoing basis. It can get costly, $500 a session. So yeah, it can get kind of expensive. But in this video, we're going to be talking about some quick, effective fixes that can help you get your lips back in shape without costing you a fortune. Number one is to incorporate anti-aging lip products in your skincare routine. Some of these anti-aging topical products can work absolute wonders on the area around the mouth and the lips. Burt's Bees 100% natural intensive lip balm is one of those type of products that can work extremely well. It's effective, but it also doesn't cost very much at just $8.50. A lip product that can do what that product does at that price is just simply amazing. Now, on the higher end of these type of treatments is VinEffect Lip Anti-Aging Treatment. Now, this is a lip product that's going to provide plumping as well as firming. The thing that I like the most about it is it doesn't leave your lips sticky. So if you wear cosmetics, you can use this product and then apply lipstick and it will work just fine. Number two is working to keep the lips bright and smooth, and I'm talking about exfoliation. Just like I talk about the fact that cellular turnover slows down as we get older, well, that's the same for the skin on your mouth. Obviously, everywhere it's going to be a problem. So just as you would for your face, exfoliation helps remove that dead, dull skin layer off the surface of your lips, making them firmer, plumper, smoother, and it also improves the lip lines that tend to fade and kind of look lighter as we get older. So for the guys and the ladies, a lip exfoliation product is a really great thing. Now, you can use a toothbrush to lightly brush the lips, which will tend to remove some of that dry, flaky skin, also increase the circulation and give you a plumper pout. And you can also use a product like I do, which I've shared before on the channel, which is e.l.f.'s Lip Exfoliator. This is the brown sugar one. It's clear, it doesn't change the color of my lips, but it really does make a big difference. I'm just going to demonstrate this really quickly for you guys. Look at my lip lines right here. Watch what happens. Just on the bottom lip. I'm just removing that layer. Now, you're not supposed to eat this stuff, although it's sweet. It's hard not to want to lick it. But as you can see, it really improves the lip line because it improves the circulation. And the great thing about it is it's very moisturizing and hydrating. And it's very inexpensive at $12, and I like inexpensive products that work really well. Now, it's very important, no matter what you're doing to exfoliate lips, that you hydrate them afterwards. So a lip balm or a chapstick or a cosmetic that contains hyaluronic acid and even ceramides, those fatty acids to help build that lipid barrier on the skin, really needs to be applied. And if you can find a product that has SPF in it as well, that's also great. And number 3, for thinning lips specifically, you can use a non-invasive lip plumping product. And there are a ton of them out there on the market. They contain ingredients that temporarily stimulate the circulation of the lips and give them a plump. One is Kopari's Coconut Lip Glossy. That's a really great product, especially if you have a tendency for dry, chapped lips. That product is amazing. And then there are products that highlight and make the lips look larger, like Neutrogena's Moisture Smooth Color Stick. This is a lip crayon that has a slight sheen and gives a textured look that helps kind of hide those fine lines and wrinkles on the lips. Plus, it's very hydrating throughout the day. And a really great trick to enhance the effect is to dab a little highlighter in the Cupid's bow area or in the center of the lips over lip color so that it will catch the light and give you that fuller looking pout. And for an even deeper dive on how to de-age the area around the lips, be sure to check out this video that's coming up next. It can really help you guys out. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. I appreciate you. Stay beautiful, and I will see you over on that next video. Now, it is time for me to go enjoy Easter.